Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 5 ways or steps on how to view the specs or your system information in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is by simply searching for settings at the bottom search bar, type settings and go with the best match, double tap it. Okay, so once you have opened your settings, proceed to the system, which I can see here at the left side of your screen next to home. Tap it and scroll down and locate the about. Okay, so once you have found the about option, tap it. And the moment you've tapped it, you have just successfully view your device specification and your Windows specification. Okay, so that's the very first step. Okay, let me close this so that we can now proceed to the second one. So the second one is you need to open your File Explorer. Once you opened it, select this PC, do a right click, and go for Properties. So in that moment, you have just successfully view your system information. Okay, so that's the second step. Let's proceed to the third one. Let me just close this. So the third one is when you search for system information at the bottom search bar, proceed to the best match, or you can go with open. And by just that, you have just successfully opened your system information here. Okay, so that's the third step. Let us proceed to the fourth one. Let me just close that. And the fourth one is here at the bottom search bar, type CMD and go with the best match and click this run as administrator. The moment you've clicked it, when your user account will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you will be redirected here in this window. In this manner, we need to type for system info, then click enter to proceed. So it is now loading the processor information. Okay, just have to wait until everything is ready here. Okay, so in that manner, you have just successfully view your system information here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's the fourth one. Let's bound to the fifth and last step is by simply searching here at the bottom search bar about your PC. Okay, so here, the best match about your PC, click on open to continue. So in that manner, you have just successfully view your system information. Okay, so those are the 5 steps on how to view the specs and your system information in your Windows or computer. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.